Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Tinkercad in 2026. Whether you're returning to continue a 3D design, work on a circuit simulation, or start a new project, signing in is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the Tinkercad website. Wait for the homepage to load completely. In the upper right corner of the page, click the asterisk sign in *** button. Next, choose the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. Depending on your account, you may sign in with your Google account, Apple account, Microsoft account, or your email address and password. If you're using email, enter your registered email address and password carefully, then click Sign in ***. Double-check your information if you receive an error to make sure there are no typing mistakes. If you've forgotten your password, click the *** forgot password * link on the sign-in page. Enter your registered email address and follow the instructions sent to your inbox to create a new password. After resetting it, return to the login page and sign in again. Once your login is successful, you'll be taken directly to your Tinkercad dashboard. Here you'll find all of your saved 3D designs, circuit projects, and coding activities. You can open an existing project or click Create New Design ** to begin a new one. For a smoother experience, consider using the latest version of Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or another supported browser. Keeping your browser updated helps improve compatibility and performance while using Tinkercad. If you're using your own personal computer, you can also choose to stay signed in, so you won't need to enter your credentials every time you visit. However, avoid using this option on shared or public computers to keep your account secure. And that's how to log into Tinkercad in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Tinkercad tutorials and 3D design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.